We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 6-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment 7F. Let's go on in. We'll enter the apartment and we'll go through, we'll look at the common areas first and then see the bedrooms. So you can see ahead of us is the living space. We're going to pass by a half bathroom first, so let's take a peek in there. A half bath is a toilet and a sink. That's right next to the entrance door to the apartment. So that's the first thing we'll go by as we enter the apartment. This next door on the right is the full bathroom. We'll take a look at that in a second. So we've got an open space here. We often see the dining table placed in this position in the apartment, but you can certainly move things around wherever you like. So we've got your seating areas. There's the coffee table, there's another small end table, there's the TV on the wall, and you can see another chair. And the kitchen, I think this kitchen is so cute in here. So it's a renovated kitchen. You know we love these renovated kitchens that we have here in some of the apartments. So we've got the stainless appliances, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave, the sink has a sprayer, the stove over here, and we've got assorted cabinets and drawers. Let's take a look over at the bathroom. Let's get on into there. Okay, that's over. Oops. Just getting the door open. Here's the full-size bathroom. So that is the regular full bathroom, just like we've seen in the other apartments. You've got your cabinet on the wall on the left, the toilet, the sink, and the full-size tub shower. So there's a nice feature in this F style of apartment. Let's go take a look. You can see over here we've got a door. There's a balcony on this apartment. So that's a feature of these apartments, the F style 6-bedroom apartments. This 6-bedroom apartment is available on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again, we're on floor 7. You can tell it's a gorgeous south view. This is absolutely beautiful out here. So we're looking to the south. You have beautiful valley views over this way. That is southwest. And then southeast over here. So we're in central Collegetown, so buildings and houses all around us, but a great balcony. So this is fantastic for you to have. You can place your own furniture or items on the balcony, but you can't place the furniture that comes with the apartment outside. That's to remain indoors. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. So another nice feature of this apartment that is different from our other 6 bedrooms, most of the rooms are in a sleeping nook or area that is off the living space. So let's take a look. We're going to start on our right with room 1 and go around. There are some nice features to some of these bedrooms here. They are all different in shape and size, which is unusual. So every room is different, so take a look. As we go in 1, you can see 1 is the one off of the living room, so behind the TV, and we've got that beautiful south view again here. And the furnishings will be the same in all of the bedrooms. So you have the desk and chair, the dresser, the nice tall bookshelf, and all of the rooms will have a closet. The rooms all also have a deadbolt lock. That's 5 across from us. We will come back to that. We're going around in order. The next room as we go around is room number 2. Room number 2 is one of the smaller rooms, but it's got a great feature. Wait till you see this. Look at that. That double window. This is huge. This room is all windows. Look at all of that sun. We're here in the morning. This is an east-facing and south-facing room, so you know this will definitely be a bright room, which is so fantastic. If you like that morning sun, need a little extra boost in the morning, this is a great room to pick. Again, slightly smaller footprint, but everything fits. All of your furnishings fit in here. We've got the closet over here, but that double window is fantastic. It is so bright. And let's go to room 3. And because of our unique position here on the building, we've got another room with a double window. So we've got the east view here, so again, nice and bright, and a south view. You can see that window on the right is that east-facing window of the 2nd bedroom that we just came by. Okay, let's go on into the next room. We're going around, and one more room with a double window. So this is room 4. We're in room 4. And another double window. This one is east and north. So north is the direction towards Dryden Road, more towards central Collegetown. Again, same furnishings, another bright window, east and north. East is towards College Avenue. Oh, the closet's open here. The closets are all the same. I do love these bookshelves in here. They're so nice and tall. These dressers, if you see this mahogany color furniture that has 5 drawers. Let's go through. We're going to see room 5 next. That's the last of the rooms in the sleeping corner or nook over on the side. Room 5 is one of the ones with a smaller footprint. And this room has a window that faces to the north. So this is the perfect room for if you have someone in your group that doesn't actually want the brightest rooms, that would not prefer to have that morning sun or the brighter room. Room 5 is a good pick. This one does have an angled wall over on this side as we've come through. Again, all the furniture fits in here, but this one is a smaller footprint and the window facing to the north. We've got one more bedroom to look at. Let's go around. Bedroom 6 is away from the sleeping nook and over across from the entry door. However, it is the largest of the bedrooms. So this is the biggest room. Not by a lot, but just a little bit bigger. You can see the furniture all lined up against the wall. I like how they've laid the furniture out in this room. The bookshelf, the dresser, the desk and chair, and the full-size bed. And this one faces to the east. Let's take a look. We've got one more closet. This is open over here. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza. We're in apartment 7F. This is a 6-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment with a renovated kitchen and a balcony for you to use. It's located at 111 Dryden Road. Collegetown Plaza is in central campus, or in central Collegetown, a 9-story elevator building, and we are just 1 block to campus.